Okay, I'm going to show you a quick way to put some line on to a spool for a weed whacker. Piece of broom handle, nothing fancy. There's my little thing. I got a 2.5 inch screw and a washer. I'm going to put it in till it's tight. Take this, find the piece I need, try to get it in there. Okay, and just start winding. This is so much easier, so much quicker, and I don't have to worry about it springing loose on me. And there we go, done. How you like that? I guess I could take it out. There we go, no fighting, nice and easy. Chop off the excess. And there we go. Done. Ready to rock and roll.